Hazard lights, or emergency flashers, are crucial for alerting other drivers of an emergency or a stationary vehicle. This section covers how to activate and deactivate them on your Tesla Model Y. There are primarily two ways to turn them on and off, using the physical button and the touch screen. As of 2026, voice commands are also available on updated software versions. Remember, hazard lights comply with global vehicle safety standards and are essential for safety. The most straightforward method is the physical button. Locate the red triangular hazard light button on the left side of the steering column near the turn signal stalk. Press it once to activate the hazard lights, and all four turn signals will flash simultaneously. Press the same button again to deactivate them. When active, the button itself will illuminate to indicate the hazard lights are on. Tesla Model Y allows you to control hazard lights through the central 15-inch touchscreen for convenient access. First, navigate to the Controls menu on the touchscreen. Tap on Controls to access the settings. Then, tap on Lights to open the Lighting Controls submenu. In the Lights menu, you'll find the hazard light icon, represented by a triangle with flashing arrows. Tapping this icon will toggle the hazard lights on or off. This touchscreen method is particularly convenient when the physical button is less accessible. The touchscreen interface provides an intuitive way to activate hazard lights, especially useful in various driving situations. If your Model Y has been updated with Tesla's software version 12, V12, or later, released after 2025, you can use voice commands to control the hazard lights. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, turn on hazards," or "Hey Tesla, turn off hazards." This requires a stable internet connection as the AI processes your command. This feature enhances accessibility, especially for drivers with limited mobility. The Tesla infotainment screen displays the voice command interface for easy interaction. Hazard lights should be used when your Tesla Model Y is stopped due to a breakdown, accident, or while being towed. These situations create potential hazards on the road that other drivers need to be aware of. The primary purpose of hazard lights is to alert other drivers that your vehicle represents a potential hazard, helping prevent accidents by giving them time to react and change lanes if necessary. Avoid using hazard lights when parked in non-emergency situations, as this can confuse other drivers and may even be illegal in some areas. Hazard lights are specifically for emergencies, not for general parking alerts. Always remember to turn off your hazard lights before driving away. Leaving them on while moving can lead to confusion for other drivers and may result in potential fines in certain regions. Finally, remember that hazard lights are simply a visual signal to alert others. They are not a replacement for safe driving practices, proper road positioning, or other safety measures you should always follow. Newer Tesla software, specifically FSD Supervised V13 from late 2025, integrates automatic hazard light activation in emergency scenarios. If autopilot detects a collision or sudden stop, the system may automatically activate the hazard lights. This feature contributes to Tesla's smart safety systems, helping prevent accidents. However, the driver always has the ability to override this automatic activation. Hazard lights consume minimal power, approximately 1 to 2 amps, allowing for extended use without significantly draining the main battery. However, prolonged use while parked could eventually deplete the battery. The hazard lights are purely a visual warning. They do not disable autopilot or affect braking. In low visibility conditions, supplementing with other lights is recommended. If your hazard lights fail to activate, first check your Tesla's software for any available updates. These updates often fix compatibility issues that could affect the hazard light system. Occasional software glitches can happen, particularly after installing new updates. If you notice the hazard lights behaving unexpectedly, this is often the culprit and can usually be resolved with the latest software. In rare cases where the hazard lights won't turn off, you may need to perform a quick system reset. This typically involves restarting the vehicle's central computer through the touchscreen menu. For any persistent hardware or software-related issues, Tesla's service centers are available to diagnose and repair the problem. They have the tools and expertise to address complex issues that can't be fixed through software updates alone. Remember, Tesla continuously improves its software through regular updates, addressing bugs and enhancing the reliability of features like hazard lights. Staying current with updates helps prevent many common issues.